Hola, buenas tardes, good afternoon everybody. It's time for another Spanish video. And in this lesson, you're going to learn how to say you're hungry, you're thirsty, you're cold, you're hot, or you're sleepy or tired. Now let's start off with our warm-up. But wait, before we do our warm-up, I'm feeling a bit hungry. Tengo hambre. I'm hungry. Tengo hambre. Repeat after me. Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre. Muy bien. Hay una manzana encima de la mesa. Quiero comer. Tengo hambre. That's better. No tengo hambre. I'm not hungry. Right, so let's start our warm-up. Let's practice those numbers. Okay, are we ready? You know what? Tengo sed. I'm thirsty. Tengo sed. I'm thirsty. Repeat after me. Tengo sed. That's right. Tengo sed. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Tengo sed. Hay agua encima de la mesa. Quiero agua. That's better. No tengo sed. I'm not thirsty. Right, let's get back to this video. We need to start by warming up with our numbers. Are we ready? Do you know what? I'm a bit cold. Tengo frío. I'm a bit cold. Tengo frío. Repeat after me. Tengo frío. Muy bien. Tengo frío. I'm going to put on some clothes. That's better. Now we can carry on with our video. Right, so let's get practicing our numbers. Do you know what? Tengo calor. I'm hot. I'm feeling really hot. I'm hot. Tengo calor. Tengo calor. Repeat after me. Tengo calor. Muy bien. Tengo calor. Right. Sorry, one moment. Right, that's better. No tengo calor. I'm not hot. I'm not hungry. No tengo hambre. I'm not thirsty. No tengo sed. I'm not cold. No tengo frío. And I'm not hot. No tengo calor. Okay, so now we can start with our warm-up. Are you ready? Okay. Repeat after me then. Uno, dos. Right. I'm sorry. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy or I'm tired. Tengo sueño. Repeat after me again. Tengo sueño. Muy bien. Alright, let's carry on with our warm-up. 4, 5, 6, 7,